In this short tutorial, I will show how to view your grades in a course. Once you are in a course, look at your navigation block on the left-hand side. Click My Courses to expand the menu. Then click the course that you would like to see grades for. I am currently looking for grades in S&D 101, so I will expand that course if it is not already expanded. Then I will select Grades. A table will open that shows assignment names, the calculated weight of assignments in relation to all graded materials, the percentage you received on the assignment, how many points the assignment was out of, the letter grade, any instructor feedback, and then the amount that this grade has contributed to the current course total. Note that many instructors have different grading policies in gradebook setups, so recognize that while most gradebooks in your course will look approximately like this, you may see some alterations to the columns that are included here. If you would like to see your overall grades for all of your classes, you could also click on your profile in the top right of Moodle and select Grades. A page will load listing all of your courses and the grades you have in them. If you are concerned about a specific overall grade, you can navigate to that course from here by clicking the course name. If you need assistance with your gradebook, it is best to reach out to your instructor so that they may help you with any concerns.